The word we'll be learning in this section is kensa, which you will often hear in medical, technical, and everyday situations where evaluations or checkups are needed. The word kensa means inspection or examination in English. It is commonly used when referring to checkups, assessments, or evaluations, such as health exams or quality inspections. This word can apply in various contexts, such as medical, technical, or educational settings. The first kanji means to examine or inspect and often implies checking details. In words like kento, it brings the sense of careful consideration, and in kenshitsu, it adds the meaning of finding or detecting something through examination. The second kanji means to investigate or inspect and is used when looking into facts or appraising value. In words like chosa, it emphasizes investigation or surveying. And in sate, it gives the sense of judging or assessing worth. I will take a language test. 私は言語検査を受けます。私は言語検査を受けます。The car inspection is finished. 車の検査は終わりました。車の検査は終わりました。There is a school inspection. 学校の検査があります。学校の検査があります。The new machine passed the final inspection. 新しい機械が始末検査を通った。新しい機械が始末検査を通った。The most common synonyms of the word kensa is chosa. While both refer to checking or investigating something, chosa has a broader scope and can mean any type of research or survey, whereas kensa primarily focuses on inspections or examinations. The most common antonyms of the word kensa is mushi, which means ignore or neglect, while kensa involves careful checking or examination. Mushi is the opposite, implying the act of disregarding or not giving attention to something.